This might be one situation where I've ordered too much food. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is the entire KFC UK menu as of December 2020. Wow, there's a lot of food here. This is probably the most food that I've ever actually bought fast food wise, because this came to £83. That is a lot of money to spend on fried chicken. But yeah, literally this is pretty much their entire menu. There was a couple of items missing, such as the vegan burger that I swapped for 2 mini fillet burgers. Alright, where do I start? Now I've actually got a giant plate that I'm going to use for this. There's literally so much food here, man, this is ridiculous. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of tip out. Oh, stop it. Oh, this is exactly what I need. Wow. 61 minutes, 4 seconds. 1 hour, 1 minute of straight eating. That just shows you how much food there was here. You guys have seen me eat, and you've seen me eat a lot of food. Maybe over the course of a day, I could get through this, but I am, yeah, I'm pretty up there now. Yeah. Wow. I could have more cookies and more sweets, but no more savoury. I think it's just the sheer amount of protein in chicken just be clucking tomorrow.